Hello everyone, today we are at Dom Retreat. You can see the night view is very beautiful. There are different doms, stays, they have given different names. So we have booked Mansa Royal 1. So let's explore Mansa Royal 1 for today. Wow, can you see the hall of this particular entry? You can see a lot of lights. The plants are there, are different plants, and this is the main attraction of this Mansa Royal 1, a big jacuzzi. I am just moving out the frame to show you the whole jacuzzi, and they have a concept of floating breakfast. So you can see the concept. You can use it in the morning for the floating breakfast. That is for hot water. That is a normal one. This is the jacuzzi. Again, I am very much attracted to this one. I'm gonna use it, but before that I'm gonna take you to inside the room. So this is, we are going to explore the room, how it is. Let's see. So you can see the room is quite spacious with a lot of antique stuff. You can see they have given a water kettle. The diffuser looks very good, very classy. They have a mini fridge as well. They have reusable water bottles and brass glass, I believe, because their motto is zero plastic. No reusable plastic, just zero plastic. They don't want to use any plastics here. This is a bed. You can see it looks very cozy to the wall. You have the AC here. You have a cupboard here, just keeping the luggage the way we have kept it. And if I rotate it, you can see the whole room. The TV is there, satellite is there, cane furnitures are there. They have a dustbin inside room with dry and wet separated. So you can think how hygiene and how environment lovable peoples are here. These are some of the artifacts. This is the bamboo plant, I believe. And there is another main attraction I'm gonna show you. Just have a look to this one. So this is very beautiful. You can see, if I'm gonna turn off the lights, the vibe of the room changes completely different to very soothing. One can use for their calmness and meditation. Let's go inside to the washrooms. So you can see two doors are there. So they have separated the toilet section. Let me switch on the lights for you. They have separated the toilet section here, and then they have the shower section differently, which is here. So this is kind of a cozy shower, and we saw the toilet section outside. So this is the complete room and hall package of Mansa Royal 1. If you guys are coming, please visit Mansa Royal 1. I'm again going to take you to the jacuzzi section, because that is the main attraction of this place, and honestly I love this a lot. So see, thank you guys, bye bye.